Let's chika! Tita, may malaking revelasyon na ikinanganga ng mga marites. Saad niya, they don't want to fall in love as a love team. They want to fall in love as individuals. Kaya't pinili nila munang maghiwalay for now as a love team. And ang sigurado ko, mahal na mahal nila ang isa't isa.